In our modern world, we are more connected than ever, yet somehow, we are drifting further apart. We live in the same house, but often, our hearts feel miles away. We rush through breakfast, we rush through school drop-offs, and we rush through bedtime. Time is slipping through our fingers like sand. And in this rush, many children are suffering from a silent hunger. Not a hunger for food, but a hunger for connection. Their emotional batteries are running empty, and they don't know how to ask for a refill. But what if I told you that the cure for this crisis isn't expensive therapy or more toys? It's something you already possess. It's free, it's powerful, and science says it changes the structure of your child's brain. Welcome to the Sunny Scroll. Let's look inside the little brain. When a child is born, their brain is like a universe waiting to be mapped. Every interaction builds a neural pathway. When a child feels stressed, lonely, or scared, their brain releases cortisol. This is the stress hormone. It's like a toxic storm cloud. High levels of cortisol can actually block learning and stunt emotional growth. But here is the magic. When you hug your child, your body releases a hormone called oxytocin. Scientists call it the love hormone. It acts like sunshine breaking through that storm. It instantly lowers cortisol, slows down the heart rate, and creates a sense of safety. A calm brain is a learning brain. Without this physical reassurance, a child remains in survival mode, constantly on high alert. But with it, they can finally rest and grow. This brings us to the famous family therapist, Virginia Satir. She spent her life studying what makes families flourish. She gave us a simple prescription that has stood the test of time. She said, "We need 4 hugs a day for survival." 4 hugs. This is the bare minimum. This is just to keep the emotional tank from drying up completely. It keeps the child going, but just barely. Then she said, "We need 8 hugs a day for maintenance." 8 hugs keep the relationship strong. It tells the child, "I see you, I am here, we are okay." It maintains the bond. But here is the secret number. Virginia Satir said, "We need 12 hugs a day for growth." 12. This is where the magic happens. This is where a child moves from just surviving to truly thriving. This surplus of affection gives them the confidence to explore the world, knowing they have a secure base to return to. Now, you might be thinking, 12 hugs. That sounds like a lot. But it's not just about the number. It's about the quality. A quick pat on the back doesn't count. Neuroscientists suggest that a hug needs to last at least 20 seconds to fully stimulate the release of oxytocin. 20 seconds. It feels long if you rush, but it feels like healing if you pause. Try this today. When you hug your child, don't be the first one to let go. Hold them until you feel their muscles relax. That relaxation, that is their nervous system finally feeling safe. Make it a ritual. 1 deep hug in the morning to charge their battery for the day, and 1 deep hug at night to wash away the day's worries. Parenting is the hardest job in the world. We worry about their grades, their nutrition, and their future. But sometimes, the most productive thing you can do is simply stop and hold them. The days are long, but the years are short. One day, they won't fit in your lap anymore. But the neural pathways of love you build today, they will last a lifetime. So, I have one question for you. Have you hit your 12 hugs today? Thank you for watching the Sunny Scroll. If this story brought a little warmth to your day, please subscribe and share it with another parent who needs a hug too. See you in the next story.